In this video, I will take you through the process of configuring Azure Blob Storage as an object storage repository in the BDRSuite backup server. Open the BDRSuite backup server console, enter the username, password, and click Sign In. To create an object storage repository in the BDRSuite backup server, navigate to the Infrastructure tab, select the Backup Repository menu, and then choose Object Storage. This is the Backup Repository Configurations page. Click on the Create New Object Storage Repository button. Click on the Azure Blob Storage option on the left panel. In the Repository Name field, specify a name for the new object storage repository. The Service Endpoint field is auto-filled. This will establish a secure connection between the Azure Blob Storage account and the BDRSuite backup server. Next, from the Credentials drop-down list, select User Credentials to access your Azure Blob Storage account if you have already added the Azure Blob Storage credentials. Otherwise, click Add New Credential button. Enter the credential display name, the storage account name for Azure, and its access key. Once done, click on Add. The credential will then appear in the list for selection. From the Container drop-down list, select a container. Make sure that the container where you want to store your backup data was created in advance. Choose a cache location to store backup data temporarily before uploading to Azure Blob Storage. Local drives and network drives added to the BDRSuite server will be shown in the drop-down list, which can be selected as Cache Location. Click on the Add Network Drive option if you want to add a new one. Enter the drive path and the credentials of the drive you wish to add, and then click on Save. The created Azure Blob repository can be set as default storage to store the backup data of all jobs configured in the BDRSuite backup server. Choose either Yes or No, and then click on Create. That's it, the Azure Blob Object Storage Repository has been created and listed. Now, it's your turn to try it out, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Suite Support. Thanks for watching.